Hi friends, welcome back to Panika Tutorials. In the last video, I have discussed what is the purpose of conditional statements, various conditional statements the PLSQL supports. Then I have discussed about if, then, end if and few programs related to the if, end if. I hope you have watched that video. If you did not watch that video, or if you don't know what is a conditional statements, what are the various conditional statements, if, then, end if, I sincerely request go to previous video and watch that video and come back to this video. In this video, I want to discuss about if, then, else, end if in PLSQL, and then I will discuss a PLSQL program to verify given number is even number or odd number using the if, then, else, end if, and then I will write one program related to the SQL table so that it will be clear for you. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First, let me discuss what is the purpose of if, then, else, end if. In the last video, we have talked about the if, then, end if. What is that one? We have if a certain condition. Okay, we have if a certain condition, then, and what are the statements I want to execute, I have written, and then I have provided the end if. So you have a condition. If the condition is true, the statements which are there in the if block will be executed. If the condition is false, the statements which are there in the if block will not be executed. But whereas in the if, then, else, end if, you will have the else block also. So you will write if a certain condition, and then you will use the then, and then you will write the certain statements, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, then you will write the else, and statement 4, statement 5, statement 6, and what are the set of statements you want to write, you can write, and finally you will close with end if. So if this condition is true, the statement 1, statement 2, statement 3 will be executed, which is there in the if block. If the condition is false, the statements which are there in the else block will be executed, which is statement 4, statement 5, statement 6. So this is the use of if, then, else, end if statement in PLSQL. Now we will write a PLSQL program to verify a given number is even number or odd number using if, then, else, end if. Now let me open the SQL plus, and then I will write set server output on end with semicolon. You know the purpose of this statement. What is the purpose of this statement? Whatever the PLSQL program you are writing, if you want to display the output, then you need to write the statement called set server output on. If you does not write, then output, whatever you are displaying in using the PLSQL program, the output will not be displayed. So you know that we have the declare session, which is useful for you to declare the variable. I want to declare a variable called num, which is a type called number, and then I want to read the value of the variable called num from the user. Now what is the syntax? Variable name, data type. Okay, you need to provide, and then what is the program you want to write, you can write in the begin section. I will write if we have a function called mod, it will take two parameters. If I write num comma 2, then what it will perform is it will perform the num modulus 2 and it will return the remainder. I want to verify whether the remainder is equal to 0 or not. You know that when I can say a given number is even number, if the remainder is equal to 0 means a given number, if I am dividing by 2, if the remainder is 0 means if the given number is exactly divisible by 2, then I can say it is an even number. If it is not exactly divisible by 2, then I can say it is an odd number. So we have a mod function which will take two parameters, and it will be useful for you to return the remainder. So it is performing like this. Let me write the comment as num modulus 2. So this is the use of the mod function, and then I will write then, and now let me write a statement dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and then I will write num, provide the concatenation, I will write is an odd number, even number, right? Provide the separator here, and again concatenation, Now I will write is an even number. Close the single quote, end with semicolon. Then I will write the else, and I will write what are the statements which belongs to the else block. I will write dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Now if the number is not divisible by 2, then I can say it is an odd number, right? So I will write num, provide the concatenation, open the single quotes, provide the column, close the single quotes, then provide the concatenation, open the single quote, is an odd number. Close the single quote, end with the semicolon. Then you can write end if, end with the semicolon, end, semicolon, and then backslash. It will ask the user to enter the value. Let me enter the value as 54. 54 is an even number or odd number? 54 is an even number. So you can see we got the output as 54 is an even number. If you want to verify, let me again enter the number as 67. 67 is what? 67 is an odd number. Okay, now let me open the ED and then open the program in the notepad. So how this program is working? We have a declare session. It is useful for you to declare the variable. So whatever the value you are reading from the user is stored in the variable called num. Then we have written the begin session. I have written a condition called mod num comma 2. So this mod function will return a reminder. So whatever the input you are taking will be stored in the num variable, and then you are dividing by 2. If the remainder is equal to 0, then I can say the number is successfully divided by 2. Then the condition is true. If the if condition is true and the number is successfully divisible by 2, then I can say the given number is an even number. Else I can say the given number is a odd number. So this is the way we can write the PLSQL program to verify whether the given number is even number or odd number. So let me close this one, and now let me clear the screen, and I want to write a statement called select star from EMP and with a semicolon. Now we are displaying the data which is there in the EMP table. Now I want to display the information of the employee number called 7900. If his department number is equal to 30, I want to increase his salary. If his department number is not 30, I want to decrease his salary. So I will do this program using PLSQL. So let me clear the screen and set server output on end with a semicolon. I will write declare, and I will declare two variables called department number, and his type is number of size 10, end with a semicolon. Again I will declare another variable called salary, which is of a type number of size 10 comma 2, end with semicolon. Let me open the begin session. I will write select department number comma sal into department number comma salary from EMP table, where department not EMP number is equal to 7900, end with semicolon. So the employee number is 7900. That row, from that row what I am taking? I am taking only two attributes called department number comma SAL, and I am storing into the two variables called department number comma salary. And then I want to display the salary and department number. So I will write dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and then I will write the salary is, provide this one, and concatenation I will write the information which is there in the variable called salary, and similarly I will display the department number. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and here I will write the department number is, which is there in the variable called department number. Now I am writing the condition. If department number is equal to 30, then I want to increase his salary by 50. So I will write salary is equal to assignment operator. Here mean equal to means normally comparison, but I am writing an assignment operator salary, assignment operator salary plus 50. So first the right hand side expression will be evaluated. So whatever the existing salary, you are adding 50, and the new salary means after performing addition 50, that value you are storing into the variable called salary. Else, if the condition is false, I want to decrease his salary by 50. So I will write salary assignment salary minus 50, end with the semicolon. Then I want to write end if. Now I want to display the new salary. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and now I will write a string called the new salary is, close the single quotes, and then I will display the value which is there in the variable called salary, and then I will write the end with the semicolon and then backslash. Now you can see the salary is 950, the department number is 30, so the new salary became 1000. Let me open this one in the notepad. Let me zoom out so that you can look at the program clearly. I have declared two variables called department number comma salary, and then I have written a statement called select department number comma salary. So from the EMP table I am taking two attributes called department number comma SAL, and I am storing that values into the variables called department number comma salary, and I am retrieving the information from the EMP table where EMP number is equal to 7900. So one tuple is coming. From the tuple I am taking the attributes called department number comma SAL and storing into the variable called department number and salary respectively, and then I am displaying the information which is there in the variable called salary and department number, and then I have written a condition if the department number is equal to 30. Now you can see the department number is 30, so the condition is true. So 30 is equal to 30. As the condition is true, the statements which are there in the if block will be executed. What is the statement we have written? Salary assignment operator salary plus 50. So salary is 950 and I am adding 50, so the new salary become 1000. That new salary I am displaying as an output. So instead of this one, if I write employee number 7369, let me save this one and then close it, and then I execute. Now you can see the salary is 800, department number is 20, so the new salary is 750 because the department number is 20. So the if condition will be false because department number is equal to 30 you are verifying, but department number is 20, so 20 is not equal to 30, so your if condition is false. If the if condition is false, the statements which are there in the else block will be executed. Let me open this one and then make it full screen and zoom out. So the department number is 20, so 20 is equal to 30. No, the if condition is false. If the if condition is false, the statements which are there in the if block will not be executed. However, the statements which are there in the else block will be executed. So you are decrementing his salary by 50 and then you are displaying the new salary. Now let me save this and close it. So that's why you got the previous salary is 800, the new salary is 750. I hope it is very clear for you how to use the if, then, else, and if in PLSQL. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.